We're here at the Callahan Speedway trying to get some RC track time in today before the weather rolls in. I hear them in the background getting ready, so let me join into the fun. See you in a bit. Helping hands out here, each one teach one. Go see Sean down at RC Jax Recycle. Hey, listen, if you hit one of these, it's not gonna ruin your day, but you definitely ain't coming in first. Bro, you gotta start a 5T like a weed whacker. But once it's up, Brap, brap. Let me know in the comments, electric or gas, what's your preference? What you like? Bro, you broke. See the damage?
Something broke there. I don't know. The shaft.
Yeah, man.
The axle shaft there. Oh, unless there's a screw. No, I don't know what that. Lost the pin.
This rally car belongs to Kelly, and Kelly is the extreme RC, and his car's on rails. Word on the street, he has a 9-foot jet. I'm pretty sure I can fit in a 9-foot jet.
Line them up. Maybe one more turn, Marshall. Boys on the backstretch, leaving the travel. Trailer coming around again. Look at that thing slide.
Meet Salem. Salem has offered to let me use his 5T, red, white, and blue. What Salem don't know is I'm gonna run this bitch till the wheels fall off. It's like, I took good care of it, man. Special thanks to Callahan Speedway and Jax RC Recycle putting on a fantastic event. We're growing the sport one event at a time. If you down here in North Florida, come check us out. We're gonna be running these things till the wheels fall off. No, really, your wheels will fall off. I had one job. Don't use a Marshall. And the car is still safe. Check it out. Check out the car. I didn't crash, baby. I had one job. Don't crash. Shout out to Salem. We saw your boy from a 5'7" without a 5T, and he said, race this. And I raced it. One rule, don't crash. And I didn't crash. My man. Big Luke drove down 95 for the win. The future of RC racing?